Jane, this is incredible. It's very different from the last property.
Yes, it is.
It's just very warm and the classic kind of log cabin that you get in Muskoka.
Yeah. The architect of this log cabin's name is Simon Hirsch. He is a local Muskoka builder, and he has said the way you make logs cabins really sexy is by putting large windows in them and allowing the light to come in.
Behind us is the iconic feature piece. Tell us about that.
A big part of log cabins is the natural looking fireplace and the stone. The fireplace cover is cast iron and it was hand carved. The little birds and leaves had been wood carved and cast iron as well.
Tell me about the layout.
On our main floor, we have the primary bedroom, an office, the big open great room, and then there's the Muskoka room. On the second floor, we have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom at this end. We've got 2 bedrooms, both with en-suites at that end, and a laundry room. There's actually a beautiful tree fort room. The architect used a chainsaw to create a hole in the log so kids could climb up. The lower level is a bar, man cave type area. There's a foosball machine, there's a shuffleboard, there's a pool table, there's a sitting area with TV and a gym.
The architect wanted to bring the outside indoors as well.
Yeah. The stairway, he has used apple orchard real branches. One of the big architectural elements of this property is the primary bathtub. It is a single clad boulder that he had airlifted from Indonesia.
And it's those little details that make all the difference as well. How many bedrooms are there?
There's 8. There's 6 in this house, and then there's 2 in the boathouse. There's a bathroom that splits the 2 bedrooms, as well as a sitting area and a beautiful outdoor patio area. We actually had a Canadian rapper stay here, so that was Drake. He came here in November. It was a real treat to have him, and we would love him to come back.
That's a good endorsement right there.
Yeah.
Jane, so we've seen the inside of the house. When you come outside, you just feel relaxed. So talk me through the layout of the outside here.
There's beautiful walkway down to a flagstone patio right in front of the water. Down there are about 6 or 8 lounge chairs to sit on. There's steps in for children to go into a sandy shallow entry. There's a couple of stand-up paddles. There's a couple of kayaks.
And there's obviously a lot of lush greenery. You can smell the flowers, you can hear is that a waterfall?
Yeah, that's a water feature that runs down the side of the cottage, which is really nice. And beside that is a sauna. So you can go in the sauna and then jump in the water.
Jane, thank you so much for showing me your 2 beautiful properties, both so very different, but unique and special in their own way. I'll have to come back and check out the other 298.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, you'll have to come back.
I will definitely be back.